Look, whilst companies like Samsung have controlled marketing leaks to hype up an event like the Unpacked event next week, I'm not sure that all leaks are supposed to come our way. In a way, it spoils what to expect, but then it also doesn't. It has now been confirmed that the Galaxy Watch 6 could be Samsung's largest smartwatch thus far. A Korean retailer leaked this image, which clearly shows all available models we will be able to get, but it doesn't stop here. Somebody who's working in a retailer warehouse took a picture of the packaging, or so it seems, of all Galaxy products that will be announced next week. To top it all, we have specifications confirmed for certain Galaxy Watch 6 models, which leaked today by a non-leaker, so he claims. Whilst many people are reporting the same and copying each other, not everyone is making the effort to go above and beyond. Like here, we can clearly see that the Galaxy Watch 6 will come with a quick release for their bands, which is really good news in my opinion. What is also good news is that our community is super awesome. We do realize that not everyone is happy with their Galaxy watches. However, we do try to help each other as much as we can. We would be honored if you could join us by subscribing to this channel. Look, Samsung Health also just received a redesign, which comes in time for the Unpacked event next week, but it's one of Samsung's strange update policy. Some of you have it, others don't. What is not strange is our passion to brighten your day with t-shirts like this that are just made for you. So check it out. It is free shipping worldwide. Many of you guys are disappointed with the battery capacity of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that has leaked so far, and a logical brain would really expect that the Galaxy Watch 6 would outperform the previous version, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, for example. But here's the deal. The Galaxy Watch 6 is not meant to be a successor of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro whatsoever. 5 Pro is built in a very different way with a titanium case. It is supposed to appeal to the outdoor lover. When you look at the design closely, the digital bezel is shaped in a way that it will be hard to scratch the display of the watch, and because of its build, it has a larger battery capacity over the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And the Galaxy Watch 6 is meant to be a more traditional watch style with an aluminum body, a rotating bezel, pretty much the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, but new and better. However, the Pro will not go away. What is most annoying to all of us, though, is the inconsistency Samsung displays towards its customers. If anything, Samsung needs to up their game in order to compete with the Apple Watch Ultra.